Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix microphone not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad and in your phone microphone is not working on call on WhatsApp or any other platform, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to clean your microphone of your iPhone with toothpick or any toothbrush. And guys, after cleaning it, maybe your problem will be fixed. So guys, after cleaning, if your problem not fixed and still having problem, then guys, you need to open your settings. And guys, after this, you need to scroll down. And guys, here is the option of privacy and security. So guys, you can see here. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, you can find here the option of microphone. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, make sure that all of apps are on in this tab. So guys, if it is off, any kind of app is off, then you need to make off on it. And guys, after doing on all the apps, then guys, you need to go back. And guys, after doing this, if still your problem not fixed, so guys, then you need to update your iPhone. So maybe this problem is occurred due to update. So guys, if your phone is not updated to latest iOS version, then you need to update. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you need to open your settings, scroll down, click on general, and guys, after this, here is the option of software update. So guys, simply you need to click on it and wait for a few seconds. So guys, here you can see my iPhone is up to date. So I have the latest version of iOS 17.0. So guys, if you are using a 16 or 15 or less, then guys, you need to update your phone to latest iOS version 17. And guys, after updating your phone, then check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed it, then guys, you need to check your mobile to any mobile mechanic, and they will change your microphone of your phone, and your phone will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.